Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start the class, children. As our lesson Sources of Light is finished, children, today we will start with workbook. So everyone take out a workbook, children. So children, let's start the class. Open your workbook, page number 32. Let's start with multiple choice questions. The first question is, name the most important natural source of light. So children, what it is? Sun. Sun is the most important natural source of light. Option A is right. Number 2, which of our body parts help us to see the things around us? With which organ, children, we can see the things around us? Eyes. Next, number 3, fill in the blanks. Dash sources of light are made by humans. You know the answer, isn't it? What it is? Artificial sources of light. Number 4, we can dash things when light falls on them. We can see things when light falls on them, isn't it? We can see in the presence of light. And we are unable to see in dark. Do you remember? Number 5, name any one natural source of light. So we have studied two natural sources of light, isn't it? The stars and the sun. So you can write any one of them. Number 6, name any one artificial source of light. So we have come across many artificial sources of light, like lantern, candle, oil lamp, electric bulb. So you can write any one of it. Number 7, children. Pictures of some sources of light are given below. Write their names in the boxes. So you can see the pictures here and you know what are their names, right? So you have to write the names. First one is what? Lantern. Second is candle. Third is oil lamp. Fourth is electric bulb. Okay? Write the spelling correctly, children. Come to page number 33, children. True or false? There were no artificial light sources in ancient time. It is true. In ancient time, there was only natural source of light, isn't it? Number 9. Humans discovered fire by rubbing leaves. Is it true? No, false. They discovered fire by rubbing flint, isn't it? Number 10. In olden days, humans could hunt after sunset. Is it true or false? It is false. In olden days, children, humans could not hunt after sunset. And you know why? Because there was no artificial source of light. Number 11. Fire helped humans to protect themselves from dangerous animals. It is true, isn't it? So the answer is true. Number 12. Arrange the following from oldest to recent. Now children, oldest means in ancient time. Starts from ancient time to recent. Sun, oil lamp, rubbing flint, burning logs of wood. Children, what was the first source of light, children? Sun was the first natural source of light. In ancient time, there was no artificial source of light. Next, rubbing flint. Fire was discovered, isn't it? Then burning logs of woods. And last comes oil lamps. Clear? Number 13. Why could early humans hunt only during the daytime? Think over it, children, as we have discussed this also. Why? As there were no artificial sources of light, humans could hunt only during the daytime. After the sunset, they could not hunt and gather food. Clear? Number 14. Answer the following questions using the images as hints. Now the first image is, children, What can you understand from this? How did human discover fire? Isn't it? Humans discovered fire by rubbing pieces of flint. By rubbing 2 pieces of flint. Clear? Next image. How did the discovery of fire help them? Now you know, children, how the discovery of fire helped them. They helped them to protect them from dangerous animals, isn't it? Fire helped them to guard their caves from dangerous animals. Then second image, it also helped them to get light even after sunset. You can see there is sunset but they are getting light. Clear? Next, again children, question number 15, multiple choice questions. What type of light sources should we use? What type of light sources, children? The sources that uses less electricity. And you know what type of bulbs you should use to save electricity? LED bulbs, CFL bulbs, isn't it? Tube lights. These bulbs uses less electricity. Then number 16. Name the light source which uses electricity. Among these children, does oil lamp requires electricity? No. Does kerosene lamp requires electricity? No. Does candle requires electricity, children? No. LED bulb requires electricity. So the correct option is option D. Number 17, children. Draw any 2 light sources which you use at your home. So you can draw bulb, tube light, LED bulb. You can draw any source of light which you use at your home. Okay. Next, number 18. Why should we avoid using kerosene lamp? In our previous class we have revised about this, isn't it? Why? We should avoid using a kerosene lamp because it produces smoke and it is harmful to the environment. Clear? Number 19. Tick the sources of light that we should use. Among children, should we use sunlight? Yes, it is the most important natural source of light and one of the cheapest source of light, isn't it? So you can mark tick here and you can write here sun is the natural and cheapest source of light. B. This type of, now this is what, children? This is bulb. This type of electric bulb uses more electricity, isn't it? This type of bulb, children, if it is there at your place, it means, children, it consumes more electricity. So we should not use. Cross. Now this is what? This is LED bulb. Uses less electricity. So we should use. You can mark it tick. Now this is what? Kerosene lamp. Gives out smoke and harms the environment, isn't it? So should we use or not? No. Give a cross mark. Done. Let's move to next question. This is the last question, children. Question number 20. We know that the solar heater and the solar cooker use solar energy to work in the box given. Okay? Draw and name 2 other objects that work on solar energy. So children, you can draw a calculator, a powered calculator, solar powered calculator, solar car and many other things. You can find it out. You can draw anything which any object that